Hello unlimited friends, it's Zara back again with Q&A about the law of attraction and its application in practical ways to our lives. This question is about memory, how to retain things, and has been contributed by Roshni Girl 803. Let me read the question out to you. Can you please make a video about memory? Where are memory and beliefs stored, and how to understand subconscious? Which one is our desire to fulfill and create reality, and which one is the other? Information, data, memory stores. Are memory stores different? Okay. Please, I am confused about this. Please clear my doubts. To the best of my ability, yes. So, Roshni, you're mixing up a number of things, okay? Your subconscious mind and your conscious mind is not where your memory resides. Your memory does not reside inside your physical body. Your memory does not reside in your mind, in your brain. Your brain and your mind are two different things. The brain is a receiving and sending mechanism that communicates with the mind. Your mind is outside of your body. Your mind is divided into two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Let's take this first, and then I'll talk to you in detail about where memories are stored and how to improve your memory. Let's talk about the mind. The mind has two parts, the subconscious mind and the conscious mind. The conscious, if you use your computer as a parallel to what the mind is, then the files that are open on your computer, that is similar to the conscious mind. It is in the now. Your conscious mind lives in experiencing contrast, helping you to think. That's what your conscious mind is doing. Your subconscious mind is like the hard disk on your computer. Your beliefs are stored on your subconscious mind. And your beliefs are thoughts that you have thought before. Your memories are part of this. So your subconscious mind is the storage space. Your conscious mind accesses your subconscious mind when relevant. When it thinks that something is relevant, it goes into the hard disk, the subconscious mind, and it opens the file folder that has information about this subject. And your conscious mind can have many different folders open at the same time. Your mind is powerful, but it is not inside your brain. You have cloud space, cloud storage, inside what we call source. Source. All of us come from source. Source is the energy that comprises your mind as well as your source. All your thoughts, all your beliefs, everything is stored inside that cloud of energy called source. When you reference a file, it is literally opened like Google Drive. You have Google Drive has storage space for millions of users. Not just you. You have your access to your Google Drive, and inside are your folders. In the same way, sources like Google, and everybody, every living person has their Google Drive space inside source. Now, here's the thing. Your access to things that are stored inside source depends on your alignment. The more aligned you are, then the more information you can get from source. The less aligned you are, the less information you can get from source. And there's the difference. When you go to your Google Drive and you open a file, you have complete access to it. But your memory is your storage space inside your source drive, and your access is controlled by your level of alignment. When you are fully aligned and you don't have resistance in your life, you have access to everything. And you not only have access to your own memories, you not only have access to everything that you have read and learned, that you have personally read and learned, you have access to everyone else's Google Drives, source drives as well. And that is the difference. In the physical realm, my Google Drive is private, and you can only have access to that information which I choose to share with you. But source, your source drive, gives you access to information that other people have as well. And this is why we can tap into the expertise of people who are experts in their own areas. Whether they are living or they have made their transition, you have access. Ooh, and now I'm really going to shake the boat up for you, because all of past life regression is accessing the lives lived by all living beings, because all those memories are stored inside source. And so the memories that you pull out of source are the ones that are relevant to your life experience here. And this is why I can go into a meditation and receive information that Dr. Wayne Dyer is sending me, that I'm receiving from Abraham. You can literally receive information from the authors of the books that you want to remember and retain for your next exam. I just want you to remember one thing. Your level of access to all knowledge is dependent on your level of alignment. Inventors and researchers such as Einstein, they were aligned. And that is why they were able to get they didn't manufacture the information, they were inspired to the ideas. And then they set about to prove those ideas to be correct. I say I've created 18 books. I haven't written them with my mind. I have channeled them. I've received information from source and put it in a book. When your channel of communication with source is clear, that's what it means to be a genius. Because that's when you have perfect memory, access to any answers that you need. That is when you are able to ace any exam. And that's how your memory works. Your memory is perfect. You just don't have access to it. Your level of access is determined by your level of alignment. The more aligned you are, the higher you are on the emotional scale, the better memory you have. And so now think about it in the context of people who are afflicted with things like Alzheimer's. Their memory suffers, and you can see that they are totally out of alignment. Resistance is massive. Their body is suffering with resistance. So they're low on the emotional scale. When you are anxious or nervous, you forget everything, because where is nervousness on the emotional scale? It's right down where fear is. You can't ace an exam from a place of fear. You have to go up the emotional scale to a place of confidence, because that's where all the information that you want resides. So Roshni, Thank you, sweetheart, for your brilliant question. And everyone else, this channel is my virtual hot seat, so if you have questions about the law of attraction, please send them to me through my website, zmahoon.com. Bye for now.